Jesse and George's homeschool blog. Hi, my name's Jessica, and today I'm reading a book called Mo and Toots. Fun with Mo and Toots. I like to dress up. I like to draw monsters. I like to ride my bike. I like to read in my bed. We like to dance. We like to play cards. We like to make music. What do you like doing? The end. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Jesse and George's homeschool blog.